Why does the universe exist? Why is there something rather than nothing at all? I mean, this is the super ultimate why question. So I'm going to talk about the mystery of existence, the puzzle of existence, where we are now in addressing it, and why you should care. And I hope you do care. The philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer said that those who don't wonder about the contingency of their existence, of the contingency of the world's existence, are mentally deficient.
Why do we humans find ourselves in a universe with a particular amount of dark energy we've measured instead of any of the other possibilities that are out there? And that's a question on which we can make headway, because those universes that have much more dark energy than ours, whenever matter tries to clump into galaxies, the repulsive push of the dark energy is so strong that it blows the clump apart and galaxies don't form. And in those universes that have much less dark energy, well, they collapse back on themselves so quickly that again, galaxies don't form. And without galaxies, there are no stars, no planets, and no chance for our form of life to exist in those other universes. So we find ourselves in a universe with a particular amount of dark energy we've measured simply because our universe has conditions hospitable to our form of life.
What is the age of the universe? We now know the universe is 13.7 billion years old. Very old, but not infinitely old. What will be the fate of the universe? Will it continue to expand forever, or will it someday reverse its motion and come crashing back in on itself? How will the universe end?